So this is my last scan in Switzerland, specifically in the city of Lugano. Lugano has a famous lake, and here it is. So you can see the lake in front of you. You can see some boats as well. They're covered because of the weather. But anyway, it's a pretty relaxing area. So I passed by Lugano days ago, and yeah, I had my headset with me and I scanned this place. I didn't have much time, I was just passing by, but you can see a beautiful landscape. From here, you can see a little bit here the area with the flowers. You cannot see very much the statue. And as you can see, it was crowded, so it was quite challenging to stand here and scan everything. If you ever did once something like this, you know that people are staring at you and watching you very badly, like this guy over there. He is clearly staring at me. You can see it even from the Gaussian splat. But yeah, so this is the last scan, and it's pretty cool. I did only one scan in Lugano, unfortunately. There were more areas that deserved to be scanned. For example, over there is a beautiful park, and it was really worth it to scan it, but I didn't have enough time. And there you can see the casino of Lugano. And yeah, so in the description of this video, you will find the link to the scan. So you can try it yourself on the MetaQuest 3 headset or on your mobile phone if you have the Meta Horizon app. And I would suggest you to try it as soon as you can, because I'm still not sure if Meta will discontinue the Hyperscape application. So check it out. See you.